Hello guys, my name is Gautam and you are watching the part second in the tutorial series of Google Maps API. So basically in the last tutorial we have seen how to generate a Google map onto your web page, and we have looked at the very basics of using the Google Maps JavaScript API. So if you have not yet checked the last tutorial, I would strongly recommend that first of all watch the previous tutorial and then comes to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I will be just adding some more functionality to our map. So I will be adding a small pop-up window, so such that if I click this marker, let's suppose I click this, a small pop-up window will appear and something will be written inside it. So let me get started on it. So first of all, you just have to go to this link, that is developers.google.com/maps/javascript/examples/info window simple. So I have also given the link in the description, you can go to it. And in that documentation, it is talking about some info windows. You can generate some info windows about in the map itself. So if you clicked inside the map, a info window will pop up. So in order to add an info window to your own map, this amount of code should be written. So let me just create a info window variable. Let me copy paste the code here. So now you can see here in the last tutorial we have made this very simple map, and we have our API key there and a callback function of init map. So this is the function init map function, callback function. So it is taking some coordinates, that is latitude and longitude, and we have declared a map variable where we are setting the zoom level to 4 and we are centering it to the coordinates that we are mentioning right now, that is latitude and longitude. And secondly, we have created a marker and we have set the position to the coordinates that is specified, that is latitude and longitude. And after that, let me just add a marker here, add a pop-up window to the map. So let me copy paste the code here. So we have declared another variable of info window, new google.maps.info window, and in that content you can write any content inside it. So let me write in single quotes, this is some content inside pop-up window. So this will be the content that will be displayed inside the info window, that will be displayed inside the map. So after that, we just need to add a listener to our map, so that we can just apply a listener event to the map, such that we click inside the map, then we want this info window to pop up in. So we are adding a event listener to the map. Copy paste the code. So we are just adding the listener to the marker which we have declared. So this is the marker, you can see here, this is the marker. The marker is placed at the position that we have specified, that is latitude and longitude that we have specified, and we are just attaching a event listener to it, that is marker dot add listener is the event. We are listening for the click event. So if I click on that marker, then this info window will pop up, and inside this info window we will be seeing the contents, that is this is some content inside pop-up window. So we have just attached, that is info window dot open. So if I click inside this marker, this info window will open. So this is the method to just open the info window, that is open method. So if I just save this much of code and let me just refresh my browser. So now if I click onto this red icon, red marker, so if I click it, so now you can see here a pop-up window has been generated inside the map, and it is saying to me that this is some content inside pop-up window. Now you can see here, if I just have to close this, I can close this and I can again click it. So this is the very basics of how to generate a pop-up window inside the map. So in the next coming tutorials, I will be just playing with this info window example to illustrate some more functionality regarding this. So thank you guys for watching this video. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe it, and I will be seeing you in the next coming videos. Thank you very much.